Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I want to share with you a dining room update. You all know that we are doing the decor swap, and also I have mentioned to you all about me no longer wanting my dining room table. Well, long story short, I have a new dining room table. I blessed someone with my old table, and now I have a new table, and I'm going to share that with you all real quick. It is from City Thrift, and y'all, it was only $59.99. And on this particular day, it was 50% off all furniture. And I just so happened to go in this store. And lo and behold, I found this beautiful, beautiful table. So let's get into it. All right. Here we have my beautiful new dining room table. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, it has some scratches on her, but other than that, she has the beautiful base. I absolutely love it. And I do have the leaf that is in my garage. I just recently brought the table in because I am trying to figure out if I am going to sand it down and stain it, restain it, or am I going to paint it champagne gold. I really am leaning towards painting it champagne gold. So get down in the comments and let me know what you all think. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, now that you all have seen this beautiful table, yes, I am excited about it. 2 weeks later, I was in search for some chairs because it did not come with chairs. And I don't know if I had mentioned on the video or not that I had wanted to, originally I said $250, that was my limit. But then I dropped it down to $150. And I know that may seem unrealistic to some people, but with me being an avid thrifter, I know that it's deals out there that can be found. And I searched Facebook Marketplace for about 2 weeks, and then I gave it a break. And then this particular day, I had just came from taking my son to school, and something said, get on Facebook Marketplace. And I got on, and lo and behold, I probably scrolled about 3 times, and I found this listing. I'm going to share the listing here. And guys, I immediately contacted the seller and asked, was this the price for all 6? Now, mind you, I was only looking for 2 because I was blessed with 4 chairs. 2 of them have arms, 2 of them did not. But I had to give them some TLC, but I was fine with that. But I found a seller that was selling 6 chairs. And y'all, look at the price. Can you believe it? Now let's go and check out the chairs. Yes. All right, everyone. Here are my beautiful new chairs. I absolutely love them. And we do have to repair this chair. We just have to put the foam cushion in here, and then basically place a leather patch underneath, and then lay this on top. But I am able to fix that with no problem. And then also on this chair, we do have the wood. It is split right here, but that is an easy fix as well, because I can drill through here a hole and separate this, put glue in between, and insert a dowel for this chair, and it's nice and sturdy. These chairs are awesome. I saw on Amazon they have a 4-count for, I believe, $400. I will add the link. And what I did not mention to you all, when I went to go pick up the chairs, I realized that I was able to, as you can see, it has a zipper. So I was able to unscrew the legs as well as the back. So I was able to make one trip with all 6 chairs due to that feature on these chairs. So guys, $50 for these beautiful chairs. $50. $50. Cannot beat it. Cannot beat it. Okay, guys, I had just wanted to come on and share with you this quick video, give you an update of what's going on. And I do have more to come far as the dining room. We are, I'm not going to say 50% done, because I still have to paint and sand and paint the table. And like I said, down in the comments and give me your input on the table. I either, like I said, I either want to sand it down completely and just stain it, or chalk paint it black, or paint it champagne gold. And I'm really thinking champagne gold. And I'm also thinking about doing my chairs in champagne gold. So get down in the comments and let me know what you all think. Like the video, share the video, and I will see you guys real soon. I am working on another project, so I'm going to keep you in the loop. But guys, I thank you so much for hanging in, and I want to welcome our new family members. You know I appreciate each and every one of you. And with that being said, please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you all the very next time that I upload. And as my dad says, later.